Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI just 8 days ago, to be precise on February 23rd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $19.202. And at this point my main assumption was that we have to see another leg to the downside that potentially might land somewhere around $17 mark, and then we might have this trend reversal. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of SOFI, and I made my previous video somewhere at this point, and since I made it, let's turn off all the tools. Since I made it, this asset went lower. It hit exactly to the tick $17 mark. Let me show you in details on 5 minutes time frame. It hit $17 right here, and we have a first reaction out of this level. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive my calls to trade on a consistent basis with a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what news might be the catalyst for its upcoming movement to the upside, what crucial levels do we have, and how you can benefit out of its movements. So, and first of all, let's begin with the general sentiment related to SOFI stock. If you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to news tab folder, you will find several recent news, and basically these news are quite similar. Let me show you this. We are on tradersunion.com, and this article was published just several hours ago, 12 hours ago to be precise, and it's titled SOFI stock rises 3.21% as Anthony Noto invests $1 million and stablecoin news breaks. Let me quote you the highlights. SOFI CEO Anthony Noto purchased 56,000 shares on March the 2nd of 2026 in open market transaction valued at approximately $1 million. SOFI partnered with Mastercard to use its fully reserved SOFI USD stablecoin for instant 24/7 settlements across Mastercard's global payments network. And guys, let me show you the comment from Anthony Noto himself that he wrote just several hours ago. Thrilled to partner with Mastercard to make it faster, cheaper, and safer for people around the world to move money. SOFI is the first US nationally chartered and insured deposit bank to offer a stablecoin on a public, permissionless blockchain. And now with SOFI USD as a settlement option in Mastercard's network, issuers and acquirers will be able to help millions of businesses instantly settle transactions around the world 24/7. And definitely it is a very good step towards the accessibility of this stablecoin, and it can definitely benefit SOFI as the company. On top of that, I want to pay attention to the insider trading list, and as you can see, on February On March the 2nd, Anthony Noto, as you can see, purchased 56,000 shares for about $1 million. And for now, he has 11,675,452 shares. And it is not the entire portfolio of Anthony Noto, because he also holds some shares on his support's name. And I want to pay your attention to the previous set of purchases from Anthony Noto that he made. As you can see, Anthony Noto suppose bought again substantial amount of shares, and Anthony Noto himself bought the same to his own name, again quite substantial amount of shares back in 2023. And this is a very good sign, because the only reason why the CEO of the company can buy the shares of his company is just to expect its substantial growth. But he can sell it for multiple reasons. And Anthony Noto didn't sell any of his shares. He just bought it on a very low levels compared to the previous price actions. And let's zoom out to, let's say, hourly time frame. Let me show you that he purchased it for the lowest price. Wait a second. It is the lowest price. Again, let's switch to 2 hours time frame. From the end of June of 2025. And definitely it is a very good point where we can see the trend reversal. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have 2 major news that might be the catalyst for SOFI from the fundamental standpoint. It is the purchase of shares by Anthony Noto and the partnership with Mastercard. On top of that, guys, don't forget about the huge amount of money, huge amount of cash on hands that SOFI has right now, right after their 2 additional public offerings. And because of this money, they can announce some kind of partnership or acquisition of some companies that will definitely improve their fundamentals. Probably this is the reason why Anthony Noto buys some additional amount of SOFI shares, and that is why, guys, it can be a very good point of trend reversal from the fundamental standpoint. And let me show you why it can be a very good point from the technical standpoint. First of all, we have a completed structure of the A, B and C correction to the downside, as you can see right here. And C wave should have 5 waves in it. This is the structure of this wave. And the 5th wave should also have 5-wave structure in it. And we have all the waves right here, which means, guys, this is the perfect contender to be the bottom for the entire ABC correction, at least for a bounce to the upside. And let me show you that in my previous video I showed you that this bounce might be up to almost 38%. Next one, let me remind you about the crucial level of support. We hit the golden pocket range. Statistically, it is the most probable range of trend reversal, and if I pull Fib retracement tool from this swing low to this swing high, we hit exactly $17 mark as the level of support and potential trend reversal. On top of that, guys, if I zoom out even further to 4 hours time frame, you can see that previously, back in 2024, end of 2024, beginning of 2025, we had $17 as the range of resistance at these levels, and it is a structural level of support as well, which means, guys, we have more chances to see its upcoming movement to the upside than the upcoming movement to the downside. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. If I switch to daily time frame, we have a bullish divergence. We have, let me show you in details, we have higher lows on the RSI with lower lows on the price action, which means, guys, we have multiple reasons of its potential trend reversal, and this is the level where potentially this trend reversal can happen. And if you want to benefit out of this, you can accumulate your position basically from the current price. Your stop loss should be slightly below this previous low, and your upside potential will be up to 30% to this previous level of resistance, at least to this level. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this